Hello everyone. Today my PHP is going to share about Joomla. To begin with, what is Joomla? Joomla is one of CMS that is popular one. CMS is a content management system. So you can just study installations, usage, customizations of the CMS. But for the coding, let it be the responsibility of each Joomla developer team. It will be save time making and designing websites. For the reason that made Joomla popular one, because it's had international content management system form and it is easy to customize the design of the website because it's what designed to support designing models website technology. For example, supporting fetch or GIF animations with give the video content. Moreover, you can download various templates for free or you can buy and beautiful ones template that are provided. There are many extensions that can be applied, such as components, modules, plugin. And you can download any extension at www.joomla.org. For the components of Joomla, including templates, modules, components, and plugin. These four components are called extension. For Joomla updates constantly, so it is assured that designing website by CMS Joomla will be safe. The licensed version is 3.3.10 and it supports Thai language because there are languages stuff. It is certain that there will not be any language mistakes. Recently, the developer team is going to release a new version which is Joomla 3.8, while the Joomla 3.9 full option version will be available soon. We suggest updating for efficiency and safety of your website. Here are examples websites that use Joomla. The first one is worldwideweb.myphp.com and the second is worldwideweb.thailandhotelforums.com and the third one is worldwideweb.siamsporttalk.com. Here are for today. Thank you very much for your attention.